Want to feel stronger, healthier, and more energized without spending hours at the gym? These 5 simple daily habits will help you stay fit and healthy effortlessly. Let's get started. Life is busy, and keeping fit and healthy can feel overwhelming sometimes. But the truth is, staying in shape doesn't require drastic changes or a complicated routine. It's the small, consistent habits we practice daily that truly make a difference over time. In this video, I'll share 5 simple, actionable habits you can start today to stay fit and healthy. These aren't time-consuming, and you don't need fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships. From recharging your body to fueling it right, these habits are designed to fit into your life, no matter how packed your schedule is. Stick around, and let's make staying healthy feel simple and achievable. Let's start with something so simple yet so powerful: drinking water first thing in the morning. After a full night's sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Rehydrating as soon as you wake up jumpstarts your metabolism, improves digestion, and helps flush out toxins. Plus, it gives you an instant energy boost before you even reach for coffee. Here's an easy way to make this a habit. Keep a bottle or glass of water on your nightstand. That way, it's the first thing you grab when you wake up. Aim for at least 1 glass, around 8 to 12 ounces. If you struggle with plain water, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a slice of cucumber for flavor. Bonus: lemon water also supports your immune system and digestion. Starting your day with water sets the tone for staying hydrated throughout the day. Your body will thank you with clearer skin, better focus, and even improved workouts. Next up, daily movement. And no, I'm not talking about an intense 90-minute workout every single day. Daily movement can be as simple as a brisk walk, a quick stretch, or even dancing to your favorite songs. The goal is to get your body moving and your blood flowing. Moving regularly improves your cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and boosts your mood thanks to those feel-good endorphins. And here's a secret: it doesn't have to be all at once. If you're short on time, break it into smaller chunks, maybe 10 minutes in the morning, 10 at lunch, and 10 in the evening. Not sure where to start? Try this. In the morning, do a 5-minute stretch or yoga flow to wake up your body. At lunch, take a quick walk around the block. And in the evening, do some bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, or a plank. These small bursts of movement add up and make a world of difference. Habit number 3. Fuel your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with the vitamins, minerals, and energy your body needs to function at its best. Here's the thing: eating healthy doesn't have to mean giving up your favorite treats or following a restrictive diet. Instead, focus on adding more whole foods to your plate. For breakfast, swap out sugary cereals for oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey. At lunch, load up on greens by adding a side salad to your meal. And for snacks, try nuts, yogurt, or a piece of fruit instead of processed chips or candy. Whole foods don't just keep you fit, they also help you feel more energized and satisfied throughout the day. The more nutrient-dense your meals are, the less likely you'll feel the urge to overeat or reach for junk food. It's all about balance and creating meals that fuel your body and taste great. Here's a habit that often gets overlooked: prioritizing sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is just as important as eating well and exercising when it comes to staying healthy. When you sleep, your body goes into recovery mode. It repairs muscles, boosts your immune system, and recharges your energy levels. Skipping sleep doesn't just make you tired. It can lead to weight gain, reduced focus, and even increased stress. That's why getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night should be non-negotiable. To improve your sleep quality, try creating a calming bedtime routine. Start by dimming the lights an hour before bed and avoiding screens. Blue light from phones or TVs can interfere with your body's ability to wind down. Instead, read a book, do some light stretches, or practice mindfulness. And if you're a light sleeper, blackout curtains or a white noise machine can make a big difference. Remember, when you prioritize sleep, you wake up ready to tackle your day and stay consistent with your healthy habits. The final habit isn't about physical health, it's about your mindset. Practicing gratitude and mindfulness can reduce stress, improve your mood, and even boost your physical health. Why? Because stress impacts everything, from your sleep to your eating habits. By managing your stress, you're taking care of your body too. Gratitude is simple. Take 2 to 3 minutes each day to reflect on things you're thankful for. You can write them down, say them out loud, or just think about them. It could be something as small as enjoying your morning coffee, or as big as a meaningful conversation with a friend. Mindfulness can be just as easy. Take a few deep breaths during a busy moment, or spend 5 minutes meditating to clear your mind. These small practices help you stay present, reduce stress, and create a positive mindset that supports your healthy habits. The best part? You don't have to start all 5 at once. Choose one habit and focus on it this week. Once it becomes part of your routine, add another. Fitness and health aren't about perfection, they're about progress. Remember, small actions repeated daily are the key to long-term success. You're investing in yourself, and the results will speak for themselves. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. What habit are you starting today? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying healthy and feeling your best every day.